Alright, what's going on, everybody? Today, today we're going to be playing some Madden 16. We're going to be doing draft champions. I usually do NBA 2K, but today we're going to switch it up and do Madden. I used to play this game a lot. I don't anymore, of course, but if you guys enjoyed this video, if you do, smack that like button. Let's get to 6 likes on this video. And I'm connecting to the EA servers. It's probably not going to connect though, because it never does. But oh, it actually did connect. But in a couple days, maybe a week, I'll do a second part. But it's going to be about my career, kind of like in NBA 2K. It's called what's it called? It's called Connected Franchise. So let's draft our way to a victory. Oh yeah, I already have a drafted team, but I know how to start a new draft. Just wait a second. The trick is you have to head into a game and then end it like in the middle of the game, and then you will be able to draft a new team. And I want to draft a new team, even though my team right now is awesome. But yeah. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's something new, but and this is on console. This is not a mobile game. I know I have Madden Mobile 19, but this is not mobile. This is console.
Jets, Steelers, the home of the terrible towel. Heinz Field, the site for today's game. Kickoff is about to commence. Let's send you down to the field. The tackle, and he's tackled.
Now we quit game. Yes, I'm sure quit game. And then you can draft a new team. I think that's awesome that you can do that. It took me a little while to figure that out, but I just did it once because I didn't have time to play another game. So I just went out of it. And then it let me draft a new team. So all I have to do is draft a new team now. What just happened? Are you serious? We just did that for nothing? Okay, wait. I think I know how to do this. So no, this is continue. Okay. Sorry guys, I gotta figure this out. This does not work. We could do Connected Franchise. I'm hoping this works. EA servers aren't available. On second thought, we are going to do Connected Franchise. We are going to create a Myplayer. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it, and I will do a second. I'll do a second part of this. All right. Create player. All right. So we are going to be a I would be a halfback or quarterback or a wide receiver. I think I'm going to go with a quarterback because I think it is the best kind of player to have on a team, a quarterback, and I like quarterbacks. I want to be a quarterback if I do make it into the NFL or something like that. I really do want to make it into the NBA though, but you never know. We're going to go with the early draft pick. Alright, now it's up to the team I want to play on. I love the Steelers. They're like my favorite team by far. But do I want to pick them? Dun dun dun. I don't know why I just did that. I lost my voice. No, my voice is gone. I just woke up. Oh my god, my voice! Wow. What was that? I've really lost my voice, so I'm going to have to do the whole video with my voice being like this. I guess we can go with the Steelers. They aren't the best team, so, and I don't want a very, very good team, because I want to carry a team, kind of, like Cam Newton did to the Panthers or something like that. We'd either have 1 or 8. I like the number's 2, but I'll go with the 1. Alright. 8 or 12. I'm gonna go with 1 definitely. Number 1 quarterback. Let's go to 11. It's 24. What college? Let's just go with your college doesn't really matter, but if I wanted to go to a college, it would probably be Belmont because my mom went to Belmont for her college. If they even have Belmont. Oh my god. I want to go to UCLA. I don't think they have Belmont on here, which sucks, but I'll just go with UCLA. 6'4". 6'4". Let's go 6'4". Oh, that's a lot of weight. Let's go to 194. That's what I am in NBA 2K. So my skin tone number 3. Never mind, skin tone number 4. Some big heads. Alright, I guess this is the closest we can get, even though it looks nothing like us. Gonna have to go with it. Chest size, arm size, giant. Arm definition is big. What else? Belly size is a 0 because even with a 0 you look fat. Turning into the Demogorgon or something. God. My voice is broken. Belly size, because even if you have it at 8, you're like really fat, so don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna have to put it at 0. It's the skinniest to be though. Rear size, yeah, 8, about an 8. Thigh size 8, calf size 8. Sounds about right. Shoe size 11. Next part. Alright, this is our accessories, equipment, stuff like that. Favorite part of the game. Because you guys know I love making Myplayers and connected franchise and your own player that you get to play with on any game. I love that. Shut standard 2R. Don't go with that. No, Vizier, Visor, whatever it's called. I like the messy eye paint. I don't know if they have that. There we go. That's the messy eye paint. Neck pad, no neck pad. 0, 0, 0. Standard sleeves. Back plate none. Flat jacket none. I don't even know what a flat jacket is, but arm sleeves no. Left elbow. I don't think we need anything on there. Well, we're right-handed, so yeah, we probably don't need anything on there except... Wait. I do not need a glove on my left hand. No, wait. I do need a glove on my left hand, but not on my right hand. Okay. Right hand, none. Hand warmer normal and tower normal. Left ankle none. Sock height high. I like it high. And I'll have the Nike Super Speeds. Alright, my throwing style is going to be how about Peyton Manning? Peyton Manning was a great quarterback. He had a great arm. I'm gonna go with Peyton Manning. I was never a Broncos fan, but we're 84 overall. Wow. That's a good overall for me. For this character, yeah, that's a really good overall. Of course, we're disconnected from Xbox Live. That always happens. My speed is messed up. If I'm going to be a quarterback, I got to have decent speed, and that's 75 speed. I mean, I'll give it to you, but I should at least have a 90 speed. Alright, I think that's good. That's pretty good stats. We got 90 throwing power. There we go. We got 90 throwing power. We're pretty good. I'll give this player out of 1 out of 10 rating at 8.5. Really, really good player. For a rookie. Are you serious? Bro! This player is dope. I got 99 toughness, 97 stamina, 99 injury, which means like I won't get injured that easily. Oh, bro. I didn't even notice that. I just accidentally scrolled down to the bottom. I saw I had 99 toughness and 99 injury and 97 stamina. That's great for a rookie. Alright, let's accept and continue. We'll play one game with my player, and end the video. Did it just freeze on me? Great. That's great. My Xbox just froze on me right when we were done with Myplayer. How great is that? Well, once I get this back up and running, I will do part 2 2 days. Because tomorrow I'm doing my NBA 2K11 live stream. I think it was part 5. So check that out. Turn your post notifications on. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.